Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Alliance Technology hiring for the fresher candidates. This is the employee referral drive. Employee referral drive means you need while applying you need to mention the employee name, employee ID while applying. So there is the best way to apply for this drive is basically there is no any link to apply. What you need to do, you need to connect with the employees who are currently working in the Alliance Technology. You can connect with those employees on LinkedIn portal, and you need to tell them like your organization or Alliance Technology company hiring for the fresher candidates, so can you please refer, and then they will ask you to ask your resume. You need to send your resume, and the employee who is currently working, so that employee will upload your resume on their portal, and so in this way you can apply for this Alliance Technology drive, as this is employee referral drive. Okay, so there is no need, there is no link given to apply. Okay, section will be graduate trainee, and suppose if your friend or if your relatives who is currently working in this company, then you can contact them and tell them to refer you for this position as graduate trainee. So whenever you will do any message to the employee, then you can then tell them that you are applying for this position. Okay, and so location will be Trivandrum and Pune, and qualification required BE BTech, preferably in CS, IT, Information Science, Electronics, MCA, BCA, BS, MSc Computer Science with the batch 2020 and 2021 pass out. You should have basic programming concept and database knowledge, and basic network understanding or certification will be an added advantage. You should have good communication skills, analytical skills with the with to-do attitude. So applicants who have done the final graduation exam in 2021 should be able to provide all semester mark sheet. Rest need to share mark sheet along with the certificate. Okay, so please note this point at last, which is mentioned here. So as I told you, so to apply for this Alliance Technology drive, please connect to the employees on the LinkedIn portal. You can send requests to them, to any employee, and like senior person, and you can contact them and tell them you are applying for this, that you are interested to apply for graduate trainee position. If they ask, then send your resume to them. They will upload your resume to their portal. So in this way you can apply for this Alliance Technology drive. If you are interested, then please apply, and thanks for watching this video.